Yeah, she does alumni.
What can I do with alumni?
You haven't graduated from Northern.
I have a master's from Northern.
Oh, then why can't you do it?
Because he's a grad student.
He can't even do alumni as a grad student?
Yeah, he can.
Oh.
Oh no, because he never rode undergrad.
Oh, that's right. You never rode undergrad?
I'm too bad. That's what
Way to go, Philip.
you knew it.
I knew it.
That's what don't like. I want to talk about
God.
yeah. Just get another episode here.
And something silly.